Mas madami ng growth, madami ng love. Tara na't sumabay sa food at travel, sa'yo walang kapantay. Araw-araw na buhay, kwento'y tunay. Kasama kayo mas masayang maglakbay. Ng love, tara na't sumabay sa food at travel, sa'yo.
So ayun na nga mga kaining. Hey! Yes! Another day, another gala ni Madam Ining. So today, pupunta lang kami sa... Where are you going?
To Kuya Uncle Danny's house.
Yeah, to Uncle Dennis house dyan sa Sarja. Medyo na-invite tayo na magstay doon for a couple of days dahil holiday naman, so banding ng mga bata and banding na rin namin. So ayan, tingnan natin kung ano may offer nila. Syempre hindi kasama si ate, ayaw niya, may date daw. So sige, magbiyahe na tayo dahil malayo pa rin yun. See you later, Ning! Bye! Bye ate!
Bye, ate. No, not with bandage, mommy. I have allergy with ibuprofen. No, I have allergy with bandage also. I didn't.
2 hours later.
So ayun na, room tour tayo. Yeah, this is our room. Hindi pala room, apartment. Yan, may CR dito pagpasok mo na pinto. Yes. And then yan, may sala tayo dito. Alright. Yeah. Dining table. And papunta dito. So, meron tayong kitchen. And ref, kompleto. Pwede magluto. And another CR. Then, meron ditong isang bedroom. Yan. Dalawang kama. And the other one, master's bedroom. Ito. Yan. Andito tayo ngayon sa 24th floor. So, andun ang balcony sa kabilang kwarto. Ito, what's this inside here, Ining? Window. Yeah, window. See.
What our car?
I don't know.
Okay.
Tignan natin bukas ang view kapag morning time. Alright! Bye! Say bye!
Yeah. Madam in English. Pack your bags. Let's go! Madam in English. Yeah. Madam in English. Madam in English. Madam in English. Yeah.
Wake up, lace up, ready for another ride. Passport in a backpack, family by my side. Every single moment, every memory we chase. Different destination, but a smile on every face. No filters, no fake, every frame is alive. Good food, good vibes, that's the way we survive. From the city to the islands, from the sunrise to the night. Turn the camera on, watch the ordinary shine. Fast lane, laugh loud, every mile is a win. Every challenge only makes another story begin. If you're dreaming, keep moving, never stay in one place. Life's a journey, not a race, every step leaves a trace. Hands up, here we go, feel the rhythm, steal the show. Every road becomes a home, together we'll never walk alone.
Madam in English. We're taking flight. Travel every day, living every night.
Food, family, laughter on the road. Come along, let the adventure unfold. No limits, no fear, we're breaking through. Every episode is something new. Hit subscribe and join the crew.
Madam in English.
We're coming through. One family, one camera, a million memories.
Madam in English. Yeah. sa madamiling news, travel, food at buhay araw-araw. Tara na, isamahan nyo kami! Mula umaga hanggang gabi, bit-bit namin ang good vibes lagi. Kamera sa kamay, ready nang bumiyahe. Kahit saan mapadpad tuloy ang saya. Tikim dito, tikim doon. Street food, mano, restaurant na puno. Tawanan, kwentuhan, walang iwanan. Bawat vlog namin para sa inyong lahat yan. Madami neng love, tara na't sumabay. Sa food and travel sa'yo walang kapantay. Araw-araw na buhay, kwento'y tunay. Kasama kayo mas masayang maglakbay. Neng love, tara na't sumabay. Sa food and travel sa'yo walang kapantay. Araw-araw na buhay, kwento'y tunay. Kasama kayo mas masayang maglakbay. Sa kalsada, sa beach o sa syudad, bawat eksena may bagong pangarap. Simple lang pero puno ng ligaya. Family moments, tunay na biyaya. Kaya kung gusto mong tumawa at ma-inspire, i-click na ang subscribe at taasan ng fire. Dahil sa bawat trip na aming gagawin, kayo ang dahilan kung bakit kami magpapatuloy rin. Yo! Maraming salamat sa panonood. Hanggang sa susunod na adventure. This is Madami Neng Growth. Team Madami Neng Love. Tara na't sumabay. Sa food and travel sa'yo walang kapantay. Araw-araw na buhay, kwento'y tunay. Kasama kayo mas masayang maglakbay. Neng Love, tara